थोड़ा स्लो है.
ठीक है. Hey guys, this is an update for 19th November, and I just wanted to start by saying I didn't do any open today, and I feel like I kind of feel good about it, and I also I'm just working on something that I mean, it's kind of like bullshit. Like there's no excuse, but I'm just trying to decode one let me decode one very good pattern of brain, and that I'm just trying to work on that, and it's gonna take some time. So I'm just gonna give it some time, and yeah. So what happens? Like let's say if I tell you any complex problem which you are not used to, and your brain doesn't have that synaptical pathways. Like for example, we in our brain we have these neurons which just connects very fast to different neurons, but let's say there are some neurons which are not connected. Like for example, let's say you're walking on a way, and it's like your daily way. So let's say every day your brain just try to learn that, and it just connects very fast. Like when you just walk, it becomes very intuitive, and it becomes very unconscious. But when you're doing something very new, like for example, let's say decoding a very hard maths problem, your brain, like your that pathway is not there. So you wouldn't. It will be very hard. Let's say someone who has solved that problem, that kind of problem for every day. So they have that pathway available in their brain, and it just becomes very easy to just solve that. And it's kind of like the theory part. And in the game, you wanna do the same thing. Like for example, you just wanna when you see this idea, you just wanna think about what makes you find out your why. I'm just finding out my why, and I found out few of my why, and so when you just connect with that, what happens that it becomes very easy. You just trying to make a synaptic pathway without experience, but it just when you just imagine, when you just think about that way, it just becomes like bumpy road. But then when you just execute on it, it becomes very good, and over time it becomes very very good. So I'm just trying to focus on very important thing, like what is my why. When I see the set why I want to do the set, usually we don't do that. We usually focus on the downside problems, or maybe what are the issues, what are the fears we have. We focus on that. We don't focus on the upside. And seeing out the upside and seeing the why of it, it makes you very clear. It just makes you very super clear, and just remove all of your thing. So I'm just gonna do that. I got it from Tony Robbins and Tyler's video, and either. So yeah, and I have seen that pattern with everyone. Let's say someone who doesn't have this. It's kind of more like a motivation. Like someone who joins early on in the game, and they just get on and just do somehow the open side, because they have the why settled down, and over time they have built that pathway. I mean, it doesn't happen on day one, but it happens day 10 or day 30. But you have to make that pathways in your brain, just so that when you are unconscious, when you're not that conscious, then your brain just takes away that thing. It becomes very super easy for your brain to just think about it and just do it. And there's also emotional aspect to it. Like let's say you're emotionally not stable to do it, and you can just to do that, it's just staying with that emotion and just let it go. But opening is not an emotional act, that's I know. So I'm just trying to do that. But anyway, I'm just gonna end it here. Hope you like this one. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.